Oh, you can hear me cry. See my dreams all die. From where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here, and I feel so cold. This house no longer feels like home.
Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. Today in the federal government land, we have the day off in Northern Virginia because of the high winds that are up to 50-60 miles an hour. So I'm going to take advantage of today and do an unboxing of those items behind me, and I cannot wait to tell you what they are. So stay tuned. But first, what I wanted to do is I told the place where I ordered this from on Monday, and they had mentioned, oh, sorry, Jason, we're not going to be able to get your products until next Monday. And I was like, oh, okay, that's fine. I get it. They're bigger items, as you can see. And so I wasn't going to plan on doing the cook, but now I am. On Sunday, I'm going to do this particular cook. I wanted to give a huge thank you and shout out to barbecueguys.com for shipping this extra fast for me. I cannot thank you guys enough. And on top of barbecueguys.com, which I'm going to put their links down below, so please check them out for any barbecue needs that you have. Amazing customer service. Speaking of customer service, Ashlyn Avery, who gave me the back and forth emails about signing up for points, about shipping out my products and everything else. Thank you so much. You're awesome. You're amazing. I don't even know you, but you really helped me out, and you got me what I needed even quicker than I thought. So Ashlyn Avery, barbecueguys.com, thank you so much. And we're about to open up a brew right now called Master of Karate, and that cheers is for y'all. Thanks. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. Let's give a quick cheers. First, let's pour this out. So this Master of Karate is a double IPA, 8.4% ABV, and this is one of their signature lines at Ashlyn Brew. And as you guys know and see me cooking, I do a lot of Ashlyn because they're here in Herndon, Virginia, and they're amazing. I love Ashlyn beer. Love them. I heart. So here we go. Cheers to you guys in YouTube land. Delicious. So what I'm going to want to do today before I unbox is thank all of you. I cannot do this without you. It motivates me to see when people comment or like or subscribe. I get so giddy, like a priest at confession. I get so giddy. So thank you guys so much for that, and let's get to this unboxing because it's gonna be special. Cheers, guys. Alright, this is what's going to be for this weekend's cook. This is what's going to allow me to do so many different things, and so many of you in YouTube land have one of these products or half of it, but the other half is something that I take a lot of pride in when I do my barbecues, and the other half of my name, pizzerias. So let's take a look. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you the Weber Kettle 22-inch. It's magnifique. It does many things. It does the pizza conversion kit. Yes. Score. Oh my goodness. Hey. This is what I'm looking forward to on Sunday. I'm going to make my dough today because it's a 3-day proofing for me. So I can't give you that recipe, unfortunately, but I can give you everything else. I can give you the sauce. I can give you how to do the mozzarella cheese, which if you saw my last video, I'm going to do that mozzarella cheese because I froze it, so I'm going to use it on this pizza. And I'm super stoked. I got myself a very nice heating stone because this is a deluxe kit. I got myself a nice gun here that's going to measure the temperature all the way up to 750 degrees Celsius. This is an expensive item here. I got this off of Amazon. This is a pizza turner. I've got a pizza peel, so I don't need to worry about that. But this will allow me, this is like $100 because it's well built. It's going to allow me to turn the pizza while it's in the oven here, and it's better than all the other products that are out there because I take my pizza very seriously. So there we have it, y'all. Let's get ready. Let's get this unboxed. Let's get it put together. Thank you so much for joining me today for this unboxing. I'm gonna put it all together, and we'll see you guys soon. Cheers until we meet again. BarbecueGuys.com. Ashlyn Avery. Thank you so much. Cheers, y'all. I heart y'all. Let's assemble. Alright guys, so that took me about a half a beer to do. Not bad. No idea the time. I just know half a beer. So let's take a quick look at what this Weber kettle looks like assembled. And then I'm going to do the pizza oven attachment, which is super quick. So be right back. We've got the accessory here to keep it nice and warm. So if we want to put some jalapeno poppers up here or some chicken that we want to just kind of keep warm and not necessarily cook. We also have the attachment that comes off here. And you can put a wok, you can put another Weber attachment down there. And then you also have these charcoal baskets, which I know the slow and sear is better than those charcoal baskets, but at the same time I've got to pick and choose what I buy when I buy it. So for me, what's more important now is to learn how to use this, and then I'll buy the slow and sear. I believe it's from Adrenaline Barbecue, so then we'll go from there. Thanks guys, let's do the pizza oven attachment. Alright guys, so here we are. This is it all together. Look at that. Look at there. That's beautiful. Alright guys, so we're all finished. That only took less than a beer. So if I can do it that quickly, so can you. And this is just going to add to my arsenal of things that I can do on the weekends. Eventually I'm going to also get a rotisserie. If you guys want to see something, let me know. Please comment in this section down below and let me know what you think. Once again, a huge shout out to BarbecueGuys.com as well as Ashlyn Avery, who got this out so quickly. Without that, I wouldn't be cooking pizzas this weekend on Sunday. Not today, not tomorrow, too much going on, but I will be preparing the dough today, and I am so excited about getting this going. So you guys, if you like what you see, I would love to be able to insert links as far as websites, but I can't until I reach 1,000 subscribers. If you can please help me. I don't make this request very often because I believe it should take time. I believe when people see it, they should subscribe when they want to and everything else, and that's great. But if you can please share this video, tell all your people, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I will promise you I'm going to do an amazing giveaway the moment I hit 1,000 subscribers, and you will not want to miss that. So if you guys want to see anything, let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, subscribe what you see. I love you guys so much, and cheers. Let's finish this up. Y'all have an amazing day. Take care. On this Federal Friday.